Sweetie, what are you doing outside? Uh-huh. We're trimming our tree. Wilson's first time to put a decoration on. Wilson, can you put a decoration on?
Yeah, he's helping mommy.
Ah, nice. Very good, sir.
Yeah. Good. Where do you put this on, person? Where do I leave it? Here? About here. Snowman was right. Wasn't like a snowman. What else was it? Alright, thank you. Wait a second, what's that? I'm going to put this on first.
Here, why don't you hang this one? That's right, it's a reindeer. Ba-doing, ba-doing, ba-doing.
Where do you put it? Right, there's a sound afterwards.
Is that what reindeer sound like? There you go.
How about this? Nice reindeer up here.
Oh, there's our little angel. Let's put the angel on top. Wilson, check it out. Here's our angel. See? The angel always goes on top. So we put the angel up here like this. Next year, son, you might be the person who puts the angel on.
Santa Claus. Kinda cool, huh?
Let's go. Let's go up.
Trim the tree, son. That's right, it's tree. Okay, so we're out on the balcony now, and Wilson is just seeing the Christmas tree. For the first time, I think, lit up, actually, to actually see it. His expressions are excited, I think. He can't seem to turn towards the camera.
See, our presents are here.
We got presents too. Here's a present from Graham and GP to Wilson. It looks better from the window. So that's it.
Wilson, say hello to...
Wilson.
Wilson, say hello to Graham.
Graham, GP, hello.
GP. Wilson, say
Say
hello.
hello, Graham, GP. Hello.
Good,
Hello.
Wilson. Can you say Graham?
Wilson, can you say Graham?
Wilson, can you... Graham?
Graham, can you say Graham?
Graham? Okay, can you say GP, Wilson?
Wilson, say GP. Can
Can you say GP? Oh?
Let's try it again. What is it? GP?
Okay,
Okay.
kinda. Okay,
Yeah.
Wilson, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. See you all soon.
Wilson, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Can you say Merry Christmas? Wilson, no, it's hard. Okay.
Great.